My people, una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Anywhere where you dey for this world, as I dey always dey talk, make you catch my greeting as I don throway am. Na still me, your girl, your sister, your friend Lady J. Na me dey for this ogbonge segment. Gidigba, I dey ground, I full ground. I no go leave, I no go transfer. Abeg, how una dey? Happy resurrection. You see, this month na the month of resurrection every day, and I pray that everything wey don die for inside your marriage, that sweetness, that joy, that peace wey you need for your marriage wey don die, as Jesus don resurrect for us, everything go resurrect for you, for in the name of Jesus. Abeg, make I not too stay long. If you look at well say I no dey for my domain at all, I no dey for my bunk at all, I dey far, but I say I must do this one today so that make we not come dey wait for ourselves. Make we not come say wetin come dey happen to Lady J, we not see am this week. That's why I say make I come bring this one. Now still that matter wey we dey talk, ogbonge matter wey we call marriage no sabi grammar. True e no sabi grammar. Inside that marriage no sabi grammar, we still dey talk to oga and madam. And with inside this one wey we dey talk, we talk am last week say sex wey me I call sobobo. I say wey me I call am sobobo because sex na Igbo language. We know this one no be grammar we come speak. We come talk am to ourselves as we go take understand am. Sobobo. You know, last week we dey talk of sobobo, say make brother make dem carry their water pump put for one place. Take am take dey wet your own garden, leave another person garden, leave another person get am. But this week I come talk say sobobo, e be like bank. You know say bank, when you put money for bank, the money go dey keep for you. They go dey keep am, they go keep am, they go dey keep am, they go dey keep am. And now when you wan need the money again, you know say now with alacrity, now you go take waka go bank, go use your ATM, or you go carry check, or you do transfer, because you know say you don put something there. Na so sobobo matter with husband and wife be. Una go dey look me say wetin be this woman dey talk again. Wetin I mean say, you see this sobobo matter, some people dey talk ask me say, wey be say man wey dey make you vex, woman wey dey make you vex, you go just come say my dear, how you mind, their mind no go sweet, they don dey vex. A solution dey. That's why I say sobobo matter with marriage na like bank. You know why I say na like bank? Because if man, you know say your wife, you want sobobo, in the morning you go don dey do everything. See, you go dey deposit, you go dey put something there. They call am sweet name, call am fine name, touch her hair, touch her body, hug am, put am for body, say my wife. Anything wey she do, just dey praise her. Na money you don dey drop am there be that. Because you don dey drop am there because you know say you go still go withdraw. You go still go withdraw, brother. You never see no put money for bank, go bank say you wan go withdraw money. E no dey possible. So na so this sobobo matter with marriage and husband and wife be. Sister, na so e be too. E be like woman wey be say you need money for oga hand. You know as they dey do am now. That time all the sweet name wey you never call am since you for how many months, that time you come dey call am. That time those of una wey dey call baba Joseph, baba blessing, baba Emeka, baba Bola, baba, you no go dey call baba Bola again. That time honey sweetie, you know as you go take dey do am, you come dey totori the man, dey cook some kind food, because you know say that money you wan get am. You understand what I talk? So na so e be. Even woman, you need am. You know your husband never get am. Do am like say you dey deposit money for bank. Just dey praise the man. Put something, write am for him pocket, put paper for him pocket. I love you. Na you be the only sugar wey dey inside my tea. Na only you be cockroach wey I dey see for my cupboard. Even though You know those kind things. You go dey tutorial, send a message, husband send your wife message during the day, anytime. Just dey prepare yourself, dey arrange everything down. Dey arrange everything down so that when the time for survival come, everybody dey na open check e go be. Na open check. You no get that kind thing. No just go say baby oya let's survival. E no work. Do am like say you wan go withdraw, you don deposit. First deposit well well. Deposit with sweet talk, with sweet praise. So that when you wan come collect the check, the money, nothing go hinder you now. As you just dey open your check, the check just sign. Na so my brother, my sister, abeg make we learn how to dey do all these things. Just do am small. You wey don vex your wife, you wey don vex your husband, find wetin dey make am happy, take am do am, arrange am for am, make him come happy, so that when the time for survival come, e no go dey delay. Your check will not be delayed. They no go say this check don bounce, because if you no deposit money there, when you carry check go, e go bounce. E go bounce. So brother, begin to dey deposit now, so that e no go bounce, so that e no go bounce when you wan catch am. Sister, begin to deposit now, so that e no go bounce when you wan catch am. Abeg, I say make I no keep una, make una no for see me today. Tori dey for this survival matter, we go dey bring am small. Abeg, take this one. If you never take anything to do survival, to survival ourselves, the way wey we go take do am, wey go take suit, wey everybody go take open up. Now start to dey deposit. Dey deposit small things inside the brother, inside the sister. Dey deposit things wey be say when you wan collect, when you wan cash the check, you go open fian. You know na. Abeg make I leave una. I no too wan talk too much today, because na meeting I come for. So as I no dey house for how many days now, I say make I do am. God go bless una. Our marriage, as I pray before, na the month of resurrection we dey. God go do everything. He go balance. He go balance well for us. He go dey sweet for us. God bless una. I no leave una.